Hello friends, I welcome you all from CBD IT Solutions Private Limited on our first video on Tally Prime. Change and growth always go hand in hand simultaneously. If you want growth, you have to change yourself. So Tally has introduced the most awaited change which will give maximum growth to users and company. As we all know, right from introduction of Tally, Tally has improved itself a lot till Tally.ERP9. Now Tally has come up with a fresh version of Tally Prime with the fresh look and colors which is more user friendly and convenient. So here we have look of Tally. New Tally Prime will look like this. So first we will see how to create company. In Tally Prime, very less fields are given on company creation screen. We will check that. Here we have company option, we can click on it, we can create company. For example, I am creating Demo Prime Data. So second feature that Tally Prime has given is auto country selection on the basis of state. For example, I am creating Dubai as a state. So automatically country name will reflect as UAE. You can see over here, Tally has automatically selected country name as UAE. And third important feature is flexibility of activating required features. If you compare Tally.ERP9 screen with this Prime screen, you will observe that many fields are removed on company creation screen. You can activate them from F12. In this way you can create company. Once you create company, Tally will automatically redirect you to F11 features. Again, if this is F11 features screen, after company creation it will automatically open. Now again, if you compare this with Tally.ERP9, many features are removed. That features are shifted to creation screen and default voucher types. You can activate required feature from here, enable feature as per business need, and you can go ahead. In this way you can create company, and if you want to see other features, you can see from create over here, that is budget, scenario, stock category, go down, and also on voucher screen, that is F10. You can see all that activation which are available on F11 that are given as default voucher types over here. So in next video we are going to learn about go to feature and some more features of Tally Prime. Till then, thank you so much.